In the dynamic world of maritime supply, customer service is the anchor that holds it all together. Welcome to the crash course in understanding customer service for ship supply. In collaboration with the International Ship Suppliers and Services Association, we present this exclusive training opportunity. Our intensive seminar in understanding customer service for ship supply is designed to equip you with the skills and knowledge needed to excel in the maritime industry. But, what's the course all about? This course delves deep into the world of maritime customer service. Customer service isn't just a department, it's the heart of your business. It's about understanding the unique needs of the maritime cluster. Our training explores the symbiotic relationship between ship suppliers and customer service, showing how superior service drives operational efficiency and brand reputation. By the end of this crash course, you'll be able to learn what customer business-to-business service means in maritime supply. Understand customer service's role within the supply chain. Grasp the unique needs of the maritime industry, and provide ultimate and appropriate service, ensuring customer satisfaction. This course comprises 4 insightful sessions that will equip you with practical knowledge. Session 1, Customer and Consumers and Business-to-Business, B2B, Customer Service. Session 2, Understanding the Maritime Customer and Their Needs. Session 3, Customer Service and Supply Chain Management. And Session 4, The Customer is the King, Customer Satisfaction. Are you ready to elevate your customer service skills in the maritime industry? Lyretta Zoru, your instructor, is a highly accomplished professional with a wealth of expertise in the field. She's here to guide you every step of the way. Worried about fitting this into your schedule? Fear not. There are no fixed start dates. You can embark on this transformative journey anytime, from anywhere, and adjust the pace to meet your needs. Start your learning journey anytime, from anywhere. Tailor the course duration to your preferences. Our crash course seminar takes approximately 4 hours, offering knowledge at your own pace. Enjoy a generous 3-month window for course access from the moment you register. This course is open to anyone interested in specialized shipping topics, regardless of your background or experience. We welcome all knowledge seekers, regardless of educational background or experience. Whether you're new to the industry or you have years of experience, this course offers valuable insights. Complete the course successfully and earn a certification of attendance from the World Maritime Academy and the International Ship Suppliers and Services Association. Enroll today, and set sail on a course that'll steer you toward success in the dynamic world of ship supplies and procurement. The best part? Our course offers flexibility with self-paced learning, featuring pre-recorded seminars, knowledge check quizzes, additional resources, accessible course instructors, a dedicated forum for discussion, and reliable course administrators. So, are you ready to explore the world of ship supplying with us? Your journey begins right here. Join us in this enlightening journey.
You will find the information about this course on the WMA site. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@e-wma.com.